What started as another Jesse quick idea became a full-blown OzWheels creation, a VL transformed into a supercharged LSA. Mini-tubbed police tribute, loud, proud, and unapologetically Aussie. This is the OzWheels VL BT1. Now this car, guys, is a brand new model with all new tooling for the BT1 stock VL front end. We've done the light bar, and of course, we have built a 1-to-1 version. So you are gonna see this down at SUMMERNATS. Yours truly might even send it in a skid with some police lights on. Who knows? Hopefully I don't crash it. But that's it, guys. Check it out. One more SUMMERNATS VL BT1 by OzWheels. Coming to you for the very first time down at SUMMERNATS in January, and then available direct from OzWheels at all events and through our website. So make sure you stay up to date on the socials, guys. We'll let you know as soon as these go live. I absolutely adore this car. I've driven the out of it since I've had it up here, and it is mint. VL BT1 by OzWheels, coming to a store near you.